The final report on the functional status of the Fiji law and justice sector is both sobering and helpful. It lay bare the systemic challenges that have long hindered the efficiency and accessibility of justice in Fiji. These include the structural fragmentation and unclear mandates, judicial inefficiencies and persistent case backlogs, digital infrastructure deficits, human resource constraints, limited community engagement, and legal awareness. The report revealed that 87% of Fijians are unable to access formal legal redress due to cost and complexity. It also noted outdated laws, with some dating back to 1879, and institutions operating in silos without adequate coordination. This is something that the Honorable Prime Minister emphasized yesterday, the silos syndrome that had persisted before we came in. Yes, it is also a story of resilience. Despite the challenges, our justice sector has continued to function through dedication, integrity, and sheer commitment of our people. The report now provides us with a roadmap to transform the resilience into reform and to move from coping to thriving. Madam Deputy Speaker, the Law and Justice Sector Reform Roadmap 2025 to 2029, endorsed by Cabinet, turns the finding of the report into clear, actionable priorities. It is structured around 7 reform pillars that collectively envision a modern, efficient, and people-centered justice system. The first is the justice system efficiency and backlog reduction. The second pillar is the anti-corruption and oversight. The third pillar is the registry and legal identity modernization. The fourth is the access to justice and legal inclusion, law enforcement and rehabilitation reforms, legislative reform and interagency coordination, and the last pillar is the community engagement and legal awareness. Each of these pillars represent not only a reform objective, but a promise that justice in Fiji will be fair, transparent, and accessible to all.